Welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to manage the Better Recommendations feature in the Tumblr app on your phone. This feature controls how Tumblr suggests posts and content that you might like. Knowing how to turn it on or off. First, open the Tumblr app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, click on the settings icon at the top right. Then, click on Account Settings. After that, select the Privacy option. In the Privacy settings, you will see an option called Better Recommendations option. You can now toggle this feature on or off, depending on your preference. Turning it off will stop Tumblr from suggesting posts based on your activity, while turning it on will improve personalized recommendations. Finally, once you have made your selection, exit the settings. Your changes will be saved automatically, and your Tumblr feed will now reflect your choice regarding better recommendations. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.